Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. So, anyway guys, I have another uh, uh, vehicle transporter, or you may call it tow truck guys, but it's not a Chorokyu. And this is a Maisto tow truck guys. Motorworks uh, tow service truck guys. So it looks like a matchbox design guys, like this, but a little bit smaller than the matchbox guys. I bought it on the thrift shop uh, that I'm a regular customer guys, and I bought it cheap. And this one guys is for me, it's a perfect match for my Chorokyu taxi fleet guys. I think I have uh, a taxi collection, I think 30-40 guys. So I need the tow truck for them. So, and the color, as you can see, white with yellow with the stripes of red guys. And for me, it's perfect match guys for my taxi fleet guys. As you can see, I also have other brand that I'm using on my Chorokyu cars, like Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Mercedes-Benz Blue Wonder guys, the old one, the vintage one. Even though I have a transporter for Chorokyu guys, I need to have more brand, other brand tow truck or car transporter for my Chorokyu guys. Okay, as you can see, it's for me, it's a match. Okay, hopefully the the other Chorokyu collectors there, or having a Chorokyu diorama guys, I think this is a match for your Chorokyu cars standard. It's a Maisto brand guys, tow truck, or you may call it trailer or transporter guys. Okay, just wanna share it with you guys. That's it. Perfect for standard size Chorokyu, even though it's a high grade or standard only. It will fit guys, perfectly fit, as you can see. Sorry guys, as you can see, it's perfectly fit guys. No overlap on the platform guys. So anyway, because of this is a loose second hand, it's kind of already chipping the paint guys. So I will retouch this with my car paint marker to look good and to look fresh guys. And also guys, this is a 1/64 scale size guys from Maisto. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.